Hi there, I'm Georgina Burnett and I'm an interior designer, property developer and TV presenter. And these are my top 5 things to consider when choosing a door. First of all comes style, and with that it's the door furniture. So you've got to think about the age of the property but also the surroundings. Secondly, the colour is key. Think about your brickwork, even your driveway or greenery out the front and the room you're coming into through that door. Thirdly, security, which probably should come first. You need to make sure that you're going to be able to lock up your house and it's going to be safe. Fourthly, of course, energy efficiency is huge, particularly with rising prices. But don't forget the environmental impact too. And lastly, do you need light coming through? Because your glazing is going to offer that, but with privacy, you might want it to be satin finished. So do think about those different options.